Well, hello everyone. It's me, Helene, and you've come to Cabin Fever Crochet. I'm so happy you're here as always. Thank you for joining me. And I'm really excited because this is the drawing for our Happy New Year, Happy anniversary. It was my 1 year on YouTube last month, beginning of December, and this month my husband's and my anniversary. And so the question was for the giveaway, how many years of wedded bliss? Aw. And I really got a kick out of your answers and your comments and just different things, input and thoughts that you shared. That was really, really nice. And I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. And I thank you for playing along. I just thought it would be a fun and an interactive thing to do together and just get everybody thinking a little bit. Hey, I just want to say too that I apologize. I know it's been a couple days. It ended on the 23rd, but real life, life happens and kind of have to roll with it. And just delayed things for a couple days, but oh well, that's okay. We're here now. And besides, the packages aren't going out until Monday anyway. So I want to touch on my question and the comments for a minute. And, the question being how many years? And to me, it's just really the number isn't as important. It's just kind of like that old quality versus quantity. As long as for the most part, you're happy together and good to each other. And that's what counts the most, I think. And, because talking about getting real in real life, I mean, come on. Do you know of any couple who is just 100% marital bliss every day of their years together? I think most people have had times in their lives where it wasn't their finest moments. And so the comments, there was a really interesting range, just like back in August with my birthday giveaway. Very interesting range. So the majority of you guessed between 20 to 25 years, which I thought was great. That's really good. And then the lowest, which I thought was very special, and that was 3 years and 5 years from two people, Linda of Linda's Yarn Barn, and made by Marcia. Any of you who ever watched the Brady Bunch will know that reference. And that was special because, there's a lot of times we still feel like newlyweds together. And then the person who got the closest is Becky Birdsong. Yes, indeed. She guessed at 40 years. And it was so cute. She said, because that's how long she's been married. And I almost forgot. I wanted to show this to you. Wedding picture, my husband and I. I'm going to try to do this without a lot of glare flashing off the screen. Yeah, there we are. Oh, that veil? I couldn't stand that veil. And I still don't like it. What would have suited me more then and today would be just like a pretty flower, like two different colors, carnations, like a rose pink color and a white mixed with some little greenery, baby's breath, some kind of streamers hanging down. Yeah, that would have been more me. But that's okay. It's not about the clothes, it's about the union. We had a lovely day, outdoor wedding in January. And even though it's California, you get a lot of rain and it can get cold for that area. I mean, for a cap sleeve outdoor wedding, but we lucked out. It's just meant to be. Had a music, a violinist, and it's been a nice gathering among friends and family. So it's quite lovely, and going through a canopy of trees at a park, and we were the only ones there, and lush greenery, and we walked through this little trail and then into a clearing surrounded in a circle by trees, and then over by the picnic tables we had a little reception, everything. So anyway, that's that. And now it's time to go over the goodies. The goodies. Alrighty, so this will be the first drawing, the first one I picked. Oops, sorry for the crinkle crinkle. This is Loops and Threads Barcelona yarn. I really like this yarn. I've made several things with it. It works up beautifully with the color changes. It's considered a number 5 and 7 ounces, 200 grams, and the yardage on that, 328 yards. That's a fair amount. And so something that I made that I want to show you just so you can see how it works up. And it recommends a J hook. I think that's pretty good. I apologize for the lighting in and out. I know it isn't as good as usual. I just have a little bit different setup right now just to get this going and for ease, that kind of thing. So yeah, and this is color Hazel, and one that I kept. I'm going to set that bag down for a sec. This is kind of my version of a bean stitch. It's a little bit easier on my hands, the angle of it. This one's mine, actually. The one's really cold, and I need a lot of that around my neck if I'm going outside and walking. So that's what that looks like. So you get one ball, and there's enough with a little bit left over. I don't know, depending on your height, how long you want it to be. You could certainly get a really decent and thick cowl and a hat out of this, or an infinity scarf with maybe just a little bit left over. You could do headband, ear warmers. Oh yeah, and then if you want something that's real drapey and open, or use this for something else, I just kind of, threw it in there as an add-on. Knit Pro 10mm crochet hook, and then I was trying to check it out, and I accidentally popped this tie, but it's okay. I hope you don't mind. Alrighty, and then that really neat double chocolate, hot chocolate stirring spoon that's layered with milk and dark chocolate and marshmallows. It's really good quality candy with minimal ingredients from Trader Joe's. And at the very bottom, just above the UPC code, are the directions on that. And then I added one more little goodie. I wanted to even things up a little bit more in both the bags, and then I added this little extra in each one. And when I was at Trader Joe's again, I haven't had this particular one. They do 3 for sure, maybe 4 different flavor combinations. I really like the espresso. It has little crunchy espresso beans throughout. Nice little pick-me-up, because I still have quite a leg to go to get home after that, and usually a couple of errands along the way, so I don't eat the whole thing. But anyway, yeah, this is a dark chocolate and raspberry baton. You can even practice your twirling moves with it if you want to. So again, minimal ingredients and really good quality. It's organic cocoa mass, organic cane sugar, organic cocoa butter, and organic raspberry, and that's it. Yes. Nice size one too. 60% cacao in that. These are good. Might have to try that one next time. Okay, so that's, I'll make sure everything's in there. All right, that's 4 things. 4 things. And then the next one, the last one, you're the pom-pom person, okay? Remember, you get 2 sets. Not just one, but 2. They go together. So cute. And as I mentioned, there's very little to no instructions, so go on YouTube for the Clover Pom-Pom Maker and you'll see some pop up. My suggestion on this for whoever wins is that if you follow the directions as far as when you wind each side really, really tight, and not tight, but like super full, you're going to get a really tight, compacted pom-pom, if that's what you want. If you want it more open, looser, just don't wind it as much, maybe a third less of that amount. So you get both sets. And then in this one, I included, because I only had the one hot chocolate, they ran out. Oh, they had a couple baskets like at each register. I just knew I should have gotten more. They make fun gifts. And so this is a 3-pack from a Knit Crate a couple months back. And really nice teas, Blackberry Current, Strawberry Sensation, and Mango Magic. Those about the tea company. And then, like I said, to even it up, I wanted to include some yarn with that. So I thought yarn would be fun, worked into pom-poms too. And it's another Loops and Threads, and it's a discontinued yarn. So this is a special one. I'm like, maybe, I don't know, let me think on it. But I'm like, yeah. Okay. So I want to share that. And this is called Peach Kiss. It goes from a pink to a peach, a gradient yarn, and you get 350 yards in this. It's another 7-ouncer, 200 grams, and 100% acrylic. And again, it recommends a 6mm J hook, and I think that's just perfect for this. And then you get one of the organic fair trade dark chocolate and raspberry batons as well. Okay, folks, I think I've done enough yakking for now. So let's get to the giveaway. And then whoever the winners are, I'm going to leave my email in the description box and the top of the comments section. Get a hold of me and give me your email address so we can connect and I can get these off to you. I'll just give you through the end of the month, the 31st, to collect your goodies. And then if you haven't got in touch with me by then, I will have to pick somebody else. Okay. All right. So here we go. And take care, everyone. All right. I've put my YouTube videos URL here in the search box. I've already gotten the unique comments, which there are 30, and the YouTube random comment picker is filtering out duplicates of the same person. So there's only 30, so chances are really pretty good here. All right, so now for the first drawing with that Loops and Threads, the Hazel. All right, Barcelona, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Who is it? Who is the... Oh, Aisha. I'm not going to try to pronounce your name. I'm sorry. I would love to know how it's pronounced, though. Okay. Aisha, congratulations. That's great. Get a hold of me, please. Okay, so now we want to do it again. Oh, you know, I've never done this before, done 2 of them. Okay, I'm gonna have to read for a sec. Where do I do this? Pick another winner right there. Here we go. You ready? Okay, number 2, that's for the Madrid yarn and the pom-pom makers. Okay, here we go. Start the raffle. And the winner is, oh, no kidding. Nadine Jones, wow. This is the second time you've won one of my giveaways. Wow, what are the odds? Well, congratulations. Okay, well, have fun with your goodies. Okay, and I'll see everyone soon. Take care. Bye-bye, my friends.